SLP coin will moving completely like crazy, my friend. This time, as you can see here, SLP price is increasing, and definitely, my friend, today video we will discuss about the price prediction of SLP, my friend. Again, now to in upcoming time, SLP price will increase or not, my brother. So let's start this brand video, my friend. But please, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel, and after that please press the bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, SLP coin holder, the update is very important, so I am going to update you. This time you can see, my friend, first of all the change occurring, you can see here in the price is in last 1 hour minus 0.49. that's mean to in last 1 hour the price is decreased, but in last one day plus 9.25% the price is increased, but in last 7 days 31.1%. so that's really good, my friend. But don't worry, in last 1 hour if they were fails down, so definitely this is short fail, so don't see the short fail. I am 100% sure to after this short fails they will take a very huge jump, and they will make you a millionaire now. So therefore I will notify you to all my viewers, please hold now. I hope, my friend, SLP price will more pumps up. Let's predicate this coin, my friend. As you can see here, first of all every coin will moving in this circulation, so therefore that's true, my friends. To after them every coin will pumps up, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will more and more moving upward. But don't worry, my friend, in previous days this coin were very badly fails down, so therefore I will notify you if they were fails down. So this is does not mean that this coin will go in the garbage, because as you can see here, my friend, it's very badly fails down, but after that they will move upward. So that's really nice, my friends, to see now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price will more increase now, and they will give you a very good profit. But just and only you will need, my friends, to hold now. If you are starting selling, so the price will never moving upward, but you will need, my friends, to hold now. I hope they will give you a double price now. See you next time, SLP coin holder. Please like video, and yes, subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos. My prediction is going positive. My opinion is please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box, and please comment now something new if you want, my friends. Any question, if you have any question, I will answer you. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.